Okay, so right now we're going to change software and we're going to use Microsoft Edge and we'll run the program. And as you see here, this is a test page. Now, if you've seen an error saying here, that means you need to download NetBeans as an extension to allow you to do it. So wait a minute. Alright, now let's try to run it in Google Chrome. So we click Run It. And as you see it, alright, let's try again. We want to Google Chrome to see it. And there it says over here. There's a test page as well. So if you want to do some changes, I believe, let's say you want to do test page 1. We save it here and we run it, and then it's also showing there. Now, sometimes if you have an error showing here, that means you need download. In which case, for mine, I have. So thank you and hope you have a good night.